Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best garden forks in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Spear & Jackson 5510 DOF Traditional Stainless 42 Long-Handled Weed Fork Silver. For larger, more difficult weeds or borders, we suggest using this stainless steel head weeding fork from Spear & Jackson. The long handle keeps hands safely away from thorny weeds, and the thick tines and narrow width make it easy to get in between already established plants without hurting their roots. What's more, the stainless steel tines can tackle weeds growing in the toughest soil. This is a sturdy and solid trowel that is good looking to boot, reported one shopper. The stainless steel has fared well in my garden's hard clay and rocky soil. I tend to abuse my tools and wrench and pry entrenched stones and roots. The blade is stout, and the weld seems secure. Number 2. Trooper 30323 Manure Fork, 5-tine, fiberglass handle with 9-inch non-slip grip, 50-inch. Professional grade, 5-tine Manure fork with a 50-inch length yellow fiberglass handle and 10-inch soft cushion grip to provide added comfort and control. 9-inch width, 14-gauge blade for maximum toughness. A rivetless ring of steel connects the neck and handle, making it one solid unit. Reinforced resin insert helps to provide up to 400 lbs of handle strength in dynamic load tests. Lifetime warranty. For use in agriculture, farming, gardening, and greenhouse. Designed perfectly for scooping hay and compost-like materials. One-piece forged steel head construction to handle heavy loads. Non-slip grip. Resistant and ergonomic handle promoting a safe and comfortable grip. 5 sharp pointed tines. Heavy-duty fiberglass handle with non-slip grip for comfort and control. Number 1. Gurden Tools 92370 Spading Fork with fiberglass T-grip handle. Tools made to last a lifetime and be passed on from generation to generation. 100% made in the USA. Gurden Tools is bringing back that tradition with tools built to endure years of hard labor. We have re-engineered classic designs of shovels, rakes, and other popular tools to create more efficient, durable products. Special features on specific products include true 14-gauge steel, triple wall wood reinforced fiberglass handles, extended length ferrules, and welded I-beam supports. We stand behind our products and offer a limited lifetime warranty. If one of our tools fails during normal use, we will replace or refund it. In a time when cheap foreign products are the norm, Gurden Tools offers affordable, high-quality, made in the USA goods. Thank you for your support.